Well, the markets were a little bit quiet here today after soybeans, I know, got off to a little bit of a stronger start. We're talking with Taylor Engum of agmarket.net. And Taylor, as the dust settles on that grain market today, what did we see out of corn and soybeans?
A lot of two-sided action. It was a big trade overnight. We took out some of the July highs on D's corn, and beans were up quite a bit to start. And I think that the expectation is for some bigger yields to be coming in from the pro farmer results.
So, what kind of numbers did we see on those results that were, kind of making the market move?
Yeah, the South Dakota corn yields are looking a lot weaker than last year, but the Ohio in particular had some big expectations for beans, and so expecting solid harvest and solid production there.
We heard some rumors of China wanting to make purchases. I know yesterday. Did we hear any more on that, or is that just kind of in limbo?
Yeah, China purchases have been just trickling in a little bit at a time, one boat here and there, but there's certainly we're hoping for some big purchases, some big commitments coming into the meeting in September.
All right, and then moving over to the livestock side of the marketplace, I know cattle's been pretty volatile the last couple of weeks and a couple of days even. What kind of things did we see out there?
Yeah, cattle, we finished mostly in the green today. Nearby feeders settled lower, but cash fats have caught a bid. I think that we had some early support in the market from Fort Morgan announcing that they're going to restart work there and start killing cattle again. And so that's a positive sign given the dramatic moves by Tyson last week to close some plants. So looking to hold some of the yearly lows on feeders in particular.
And with them, spinning back up here, hopefully getting some killing going. Obviously, that probably won't take the place of what Tyson's done, but it should help at least stem the fall, right?
That's what we're hoping. The structural changes that are happening in the cattle market, I don't think can be underestimated. There's a dramatic drop in the Tyson's capacity to kill cattle, and so that's really shifting the dynamics of the physical flow of cattle around the country.
And then moving over to the hog side of the equation, what do we see there today?
We saw some pretty tough losses on the hog market, down $1 to $1.75 in most contracts, and so um, we have an abundance of pork and poultry in this country right now, and so the high bean prices and corn prices are not likely doing them too many favors.
All right. Well, Taylor, if folks want to get some more information, see some of the intel you guys are looking at, and maybe follow along with what you guys are seeing from these crop tours, what's the best way for them to get that information?
Jump on our website, agmarket.net, and get in touch with a broker.
All right. That's Taylor Engum of agmarket.net joining us here. And thanks so much. And we'll talk to you again real soon.
Thanks for having me.